Hi there, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if AirPods showing 100% charge and then 0%. Let's dive in. The first solution is to clear AirPods and charging case. To do this, open the charging case and remove the AirPods. Examine the metal contacts inside the case and on the AirPod stems. Use a soft lint-free cloth to clear gently. For stubborn debris, dampen the cloth with isopropyl alcohol. Clean the charging case. Check the charging ports for debris. Avoid sharp objects to prevent damage. The second solution is to reset AirPods. Place the AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Wait for 30 seconds. Open the lid. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes amber, then white. Reconnect the AirPods to your device by bringing them close and following the on-screen instructions. Number third solution is to update firmware and software. To do this, keep AirPods connected to an iOS device. Place the AirPods in the charging case. Open the lid and leave them near the device to prompt automatic updates. For updation of iOS devices, open Setting, Journal, Software Update, tap Download and install if an update is available. Number 4 solution is to calibrate battery. Fully charge your AirPods and charging case until the status light indicates a full charge. Use the AirPods until they are completely drained and turn off. Place them back in the charging case and charge them fully without the interruption. Number 5 solution is to check the hardware issues. To do this, monitor if an AirPod consistently show a different battery level or drain faster. If none of the above solution works, you need to contact the Apple support. Visit Apple support page. Schedule an appointment with an Apple Store or authorized service provider. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.